Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll be discussing about context-free grammar (CFG). What is a context-free grammar? So it is a formal grammar which is used to generate all possible patterns of strings in a given formal language. So it is a formal grammar, so it will generate all the possible patterns of strings. So it can be defined by using four tuples, that is grammar is equal to V, T, P and S. So here G is nothing but the grammar which consists of set of production rules. It is used to generate the string of the language. So here G is nothing but the grammar and T is a finite set of terminal symbols. So here T is nothing but set of terminal symbols. So terminal symbols are denoted by lowercase letters, small alphabets. And V is final set of non-terminal symbols. So V is nothing but set of non-terminal symbols. So non-terminal symbols are denoted by uppercase letters, capital alphabets. And P is nothing but set of production rules which is used for replacing non-terminal symbols in a string with other terminals or non-terminal symbols. So P is nothing but set of production rules. And S is nothing but the start symbol which is used to derive the string. So now left hand side should be non-terminals and right hand side should be terminals. So in context free grammar, the left hand side in the grammar what we are taking, the left hand side should be non-terminals and right hand side should be terminals. And the set of all context free language is identical to the set of languages accepted by push down automata. So context free grammar comes under push down automata. A context free language is a language generated by some context free grammar. So the language which we are generating from the context free grammar is called as a context free language. So context free grammar has production rule of the form A produces alpha, where alpha is equal to V union sigma of star or A epsilon V. Okay, so this is the production rule. It will be in this form. By taking the example, we can understand the context-free grammar clearly. So we have taken an example. Construct CFG for the language having any number of A's over a set A, like our input string is A. So we need to construct a CFG that should have any number of A's. So our input we are taken as A. So here the strings what we get here, we may get epsilon, A, double A, triple A or any number of A's, so on like this. So what is the regular expression for this? A star. So A star, A power 0, A power 1, A power 2. So A power 0 we get epsilon, A power 1 we get A power 2 we get double A, like this. So this is the regular expression for this. So now so here I am considering the production rule S produces AS and S produces epsilon. So now we should derive this input string. So input string I am considering as 4 A's, A and A. So now let's see here. So S produces AS. So now again S produces AS. I have written here. Again S produces AS. So it became double AS. So again here double A. Again here S produces AS. So it became triple A. So again the S produces AS. Okay. So we need to derive until our input string we get. Okay. So now again here we got 4 A's. So our input string is also consist of 4 A's. So we can take now S produces epsilon. because empty string, empty symbol, so we can consider here eps produces epsilon. So our input string is being reached here. So in this way you need to construct the context free grammar for the given input language.